Today we're installing artificial grass on our deck because we don't want to paint it anymore, and this is how we did it. The first step was removing the dust and dirt from the deck, and then we just placed the fake grass. By the way, we didn't add any type of glue or adhesive on the floor. In order to cut this, we used a very sharp knife, and it was super simple. As a quick tip, we left 10 extra centimeters on the carpet. That way we were able to fold it and staple this on the borders so the carpet doesn't move later on. We use stainless steel staples so when it rains or these get wet, they don't rust. If you aligned the carpet very well, normally you don't have to put any type of adhesive, but if you're going to have a lot of people passing by these areas, it's better if you put some adhesive or glue on the border so the carpet doesn't lift up. The last step was making several holes all over the carpet in order to prevent water to get stuck. This allows the carpet to dry faster because it has a way for the water to escape. And done! This is how it looks. We really like the floor now because it's so soft, but later on I will be making a review to show you how long it lasts and if this was worth it. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye! Welcome to my palace. Tatiana Alice, you just keep on wonder. You just keep on wonder. Tatiana Alice, but annoying memory.